Andrew O'Shea, Chairman and Trustee of the OSBPG Foundation Charity, here to introduce the Christmas competition 2024, primarily sponsored by a company called Inkbird, who are putting up a thermostat heater controller and humidifier controller, all controllable by an app. You can pictures just up there. That's there to help you set up your own curing chamber, control the humidity and the temperature, similar to what Mike Thompson showed in his salami video. I'll just give a little link down there to that so you can see that. The salami video give you an idea of potentially, it's not the same, but it's the same principle. Along with that, we have a curing book, curing and charcuterie book to get you along the way. You'll see here, Lady B is just mopping up her tea. She's due to farrow in 9 days, so she's probably going to start chewing me in a minute. Anyway, yeah, that, and number 3, we have a salami and chorizo starter kit. Everything you need: skins, seasoning, curing salts, fermentation starter, string, and the little needle pricking device to take the air out before you hang them up. So that's what's on offer. This year I'm doing the Christmas competition again, slightly different. Try to keep it different every year. This year, the answers to the questions, which will come out during the first sort of 3 weeks of December thereabouts, will all in one way or another result in a number of some kind. And those numbers at the end of the competition are going to give you a Ordnance Survey grid reference to plug those numbers into, and that will take you to somewhere in the UK where you have to identify that particular area. More specifically, the active business in that area will be the answer to this year's Christmas quiz. So I hope that will make sense. So, series of questions. I'll start off relatively easy, make them more complicated as we go along, and you'll get a series of numbers which you just need to jot down. And when the competition opens for entries around about the 21st of December, you'll then have 3 days to get your answers submitted, and we'll announce the winner, as we always do, 9 AM on Christmas Eve. So who's going to be the lucky winner? Rather than keep you waiting any longer, hello, yes, hello, am I not giving you enough attention? Sorry. Yeah, so rather than hold you up any longer, here's the question 1. Go. There's the first question for the 2024 Christmas quiz. Keep your eye on the social media. I'll be posting the Christmas quiz with the hashtag OSBPG Xmascomp24, so you can find all the questions as they come out during the next 2 to 3 weeks. Keep a note of those answers. They come in handy at the end of the competition for you to find your actual answer. So anyway, good luck and speak to you soon.